Hi, welcome to Open Online Course of Universitas Teknokart Indonesia with me, Mr. Ahmad Yudi Wahyudin. Today, we would like to discuss about the integrations of Metaverse for academic excellence in higher education. So Metaverse has been well known in this decade due to its virtuality and this flexibility to facilitate an open world to everyone to interact to each other. In today's sessions, we would like to discuss four agenda. The first is concept of metaverse, the second metaverse history, the third metaverse technology, and the fourth metaverse for education. So in the concept of metaverse, we would like to discuss briefly about the definition of metaverse. And the second point, we would like to know the brief history of metaverse in the world. And at the third point, we would like to know what kind of technology that can be used in building our metaverse. And at last, I will show you how metaverse can be integrated to education system, especially in higher education. Now, let's take a look at the definition of metaverse. Metaverse refers to the convergence of physical and virtual space accessed through computers and enabled by immersive technologies such as virtual reality, augmented reality, and mixed reality. So, in this case, metaverse can facilitate and accommodate the interactions between users. And the reality happens in the metaverse itself, and we can talk to each other with chat, with direct communications, and also we can access multiple platforms that is available on metaverse. And now, we would like to discuss about the history of metaverse so we can know development of metaverse from time to time. In 1938, French poet and playwright Antonin Artaud used the term virtual reality in his collections of essays, it entitled The Theater and Its Double. So ladies and gentlemen, metaverse has long been introduced with the terms virtual reality, and it appeared on the collection of essays of French poet. And in 1989, English computer scientist Tim Berners-Lee lays the groundwork for the World Wide Web while at CERN. So World Wide Web was an internet that we used long time ago, and it is the groundwork of the development of metaverse until right now. In 1992, American sci-fi writer Neal Stephenson coined the term metaverse in his book entitled Snow Crash, which depicts a dystopian future where rich people escape into an alternative 3D connected reality. So metaverse term itself was coinage in 1992 by American sci-fi writer Neal Stephenson. So we know that this term was introduced long time ago in 1992, ladies and gentlemen. And now, in 2006, do you know Roblox? Yeah, Roblox is a popular game and allow users to create and play massively multiplayer games developed by the other users. So, the activities in a virtual reality has also been started in the game of Roblox that you can access on your mobile phone since 2006. In the following years, Google has established Maps with Street View, which allows people to explore a virtual representations of the real world at scale. So if you use Google Maps, now it has a feature of Street View in which you can see the scenery, you can see the real scenery of a certain places when you want to reach that destination. In 2009, Satoshi Nakamoto created and established the first Bitcoin and launches the first public blockchain. Cut. In 2009, Satoshi Nakamoto established first time Bitcoin. You know what Bitcoin? We will talk about it later. So Bitcoin was launched to the first public and using a proof of work algorithm so that we can trade in a virtual reality. In 2011, Ernest Cline publishers create a futuristic novel called Ready Player One. So this novel right now is represented in a new movie, and you can watch that movie, and it's very popular, and it represents the world of metaverse that we can see right now. In 2012, American entrepreneur Palmer Luckey launched the Oculus. So the Oculus is a virtual gadget, a virtual headset that provide us the game and also virtual reality, and it allows users to interact and play game together. In 2014, Facebook buys Oculus and help the scale of 3D infrastructure of Oculus to support them to grow. And right now, Oculus has been developed in many versions. At the same years, Americans Kevin McCoy, an artist, and Ariel Dash, a tech entrepreneur, create the first non-fungible tokens that we call NFT, a unique cryptographically secured virtual asset. So there are many virtual assets that is built based on NFTs, and it can be traded, it can be sold on internet. In 2016, Pokemon Go introduced the world of augmented reality, and it was very popular at the time, in which the player and the users can use